Come here. Yo. Come here. Come out. Come out. Everyone's getting out. Everyone, get off, sir.
Look. No.
Hey,
time out.
Sit down.
I'm with
sit
you.
down.
I'm with
sit
you.
down.
Ain't gonna lie though.
Sit down.
Ain't gonna lie though.
Hey, I told you to sit down.
Courtney on my kids. I'm sitting down with you.
Put your phone down. Put your phone down.
I'm with you. I'm with you. What's your name?
Officer Camacho.
Okay, Camacho?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Camacho. My name is
Nice to meet you.
Webster. Last name Webster. What's your name?
Alvarenga.
Huh?
Alvarenga.
You're not gonna shake my hand?
No, I have.
Okay. What's your name?
Relax. You're good.
I told you to sit down.
Hey, listen.
Okay, what's your name?
You need to listen.
I just want to know names before y'all talk
don't
to
worry.
me. That's it.
What's going on?
I rented this charter. I rented this charter for a very good time. I ain't gonna lie, I had the best time of my life ever. I know my fault. This is the best time of my life I ever had ever.
Correct me if I'm wrong. They just want them.
I know they want
Nothing. Here's what I'm off.
I know they want me gone.
Do you have anything in that post that you belong to?
What? No. But what I want to do is have a real conversation. Because I'm a real turn person. I like to have a real good time, right? And when I rent something, to me, these boats out here in Miami ain't talking about nothing. A 90-foot or a 100-footer is nothing to me, regardless. If they renting boats out for 4 hours or 8 hours, it's nothing to me.
Okay, so what is it that you want with it?
I don't want anything.
So you
All I want is the respect, and I was gonna leave. But ain't nobody gonna move me off of nothing. They can call 911, 1011, 1111, but nobody's gonna move me off of nothing.
Sit down.
I will sit down. I will sit down.
You're not listening.
I'm with you.
Hey, let's take a walk. Come on, grab your stuff.
I'm with you.
Hey, grab your stuff. Thanks, bro. Hey,
Nah, grab. Hey, security.
That's your security guy, right?
Grab that.
Damn, like that, bro?
Yeah, it's like that. On my kids, it's like that. On my kids, it's like that. This is billions up. On my kids, it's like that. Please don't. I'm for walk with you.
Wait.
Don't touch me.
Hey,
What you want
sit
to
down. I didn't tell you to
What
leave.
you want to do? You want me to sit
I
down?
want you to sit down.
You want me to sit down with you?
Yes.
What else you want me to do?
Because I'm going to check what you got in your bag.
Yeah, it's hard number hard drives and
Yeah, but
laptops.
listen, okay?
What else?
You want to be cordial? So
I'm
start
super
listening.
cordial. One thing you know about me, I'm the smoothest motherfucker around.
So just listen
You
to
gonna learn
us.
quick.
And that's it.
Ain't nothing on me, baby.
I'm telling you to sit down, and you still.
You asked me to
Listen,
check.
you sit down.
Sit down. Make sure you check that backpack though. Check that backpack, because you actually check it. What's your
Yes,
name?
I'm checking.
Kamichi. Make sure you check that backpack. Mama, check that backpack. Me, baby. On the hood.
You're gonna fall in the water, bro.
I'm never gonna fall in the water, and I can swim. Everybody with me? Stay with me, mama.
Hey, if I tell you again to walk away,
I'm walking with you.
Hey, you heard that? Hey, that's one warning you got. If I tell you one more time, you're going to jail. That's it. George, Sergeant Lemus, bro.
Sergeant Lemus.
If I tell you one more time, you're going to jail.
Kamichi.
So keep
Shout out
walking.
Kamichi. Shout out to the motherfucking gang. MIPA. Motherfucking PD in this motherfucker.
As long as you're walking, yeah, as long as you're walking, you're good.
What's your name?
Yeah, as long as you're walking, we're good.
Tess, what's your name?
Hey,
Alvarenga.
as long as you're walking, we're good.
Kamichi.
You stop walking 1 minute, you're going to jail.
I'm walking.
Tell you that right now.
I'm walking right
now.
with you.
All right. Thanks, man.
I
Appreciate
know
it.
y'all gotta do what y'all gotta do.
You just gotta act right, bro.
Nah, I do gotta act right. You know what it
bro.
is.
What you drink, bro?
I'm sober as hell.
Come on. Don't stop walking, bro. I told you, you stop walking, you're going to jail.
Hey, if I stop walking,
Hey,
you can lock me
as a matter
up.
of fact, let me have
Get
it.
them motherfuckers out.
Yeah, make
if
you walk.
If I stop walking, I swear to God, you can lock me up.
Yeah.
Man, what? You think I'm gonna fall? If I fall, you lock me up.
Don't fall in the water, bro.
Wait, if I fall in the water, you can lock me
Yeah,
up.
I'm waiting for him to stop, bro.
Man, what? I know he waiting for me to stop.
I'm waiting for you to stop, bro.
He want me to stop.
I'm waiting for you to stop.
I swear he want me to stop. I'm so far him. I swear to God, I'm gonna run through this motherfucker. Fizz. What we doing,
Hey, your right is right there, right?
What?
Your right is right there.
Nope.
No?
Nope. That's your right. That's your right. It's my left.
You're right, bro. You're right, bro.
My right? My right is what the security ever tell me.
Security's carrying your bag, too?
Yeah, he is. Yeah, he got both my bags. Come on now. I'm right with you.
Hey,
How drunk do you think I am now? My bag right behind me. What you think I got going on? Huh? What y'all niggas think y'all got going on? It's about 80 of y'all. Car this way. Where's that?
all right.
We're going 84 miles in the 35 zone, all right?
The body cam footage shows Cardi accompanied by his friends in the car. What happens next is classic.
We're going 84 miles in the 35 zone, all right?
Yeah, and I'm trying to get straight back home.
All right, where are you guys coming from?
Grammys.
What is that?
It's outside,
Like, exactly where you
right
just
across
stopped.
from Camden.
Okay. And so why does he need to go back home so quickly that you're going 84?
I got
Okay, so why do you need to go back so quickly?
He's stupid.
Yeah, Atlanta's crazy, boss. I was
He's
trying to
searching, searching back home.
He what?
Searching back home.
Don't listen to her. I was just trying to get her back home fast. I don't want to try to disrespect you. I'm sorry. That's my fault.
Alright. Do me a favor. Let's step out here and go walk out and talk, alright?
Alright.
You know this is stuck open, right?
I just dropped the top. Yeah, it's open.
I know, but it's stuck open like that. Probably because you're going 84 miles trying to put the top down.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Alright, so you're coming from where again?
Oh, for that call. Check a silent alarm instead of
You're coming from where?
Right there. You know the little condos right there?
Okay. Alright. And you said you're speeding because of what?
Just trying to get home fast. That's it. I literally just...
84 to 35?
Boss, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't never seen y'all right there. I've been tripping.
Oh, so you're only speeding because you know there's no cops on there?
Man, I'm just trying to get home.
You had anything to drink tonight?
Hell no, I don't drink.
At all? Are you taking anything, smoking weed, anything like that?
Cigarettes.
Alright, just hang out in the front right there, alright? So I think you'll just take and see the copy citation with the court date, okay?
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, sir.
Got a lot of tickets this year. How the fuck I don't get my license suspended?
What do you mean you got a lot of tickets?
A lot of speed tickets, man. I just got hit for goddamn 100 and goddamn 70 in Smyrna. Type 5.
How do you keep your license? You gotta slow down. I mean, that's...
Yeah.
No, this is gonna be another super speeder, right?
That's what I'm saying. I know it is.
Alright. I mean, I suggest you hire a lawyer or something, because you can't be speeding. Here's the issue.
You got it with this one, but what about the other ones that I feel like I ain't do it? You got it. You got it, OG. I'm saying the other ones, I ain't gonna tell you that. Those folks got it.
You gotta slow down. Especially got a powerful car. I mean,
yeah, just because I got a powerful car on me, I can do what I want. He told me that. I understand.
Yeah. And it's not even about the speed. We got a lot of people that
let's walk down the street. I can kill somebody.
I mean, you hit them. That's over. That's gonna be vehicle homicide charge. You're not coming back from that. Right. They're gonna make you serve time on that one.
I never take nobody's life. I'm a good.
I know every person that I've been to a fatality wreck, they didn't think that would happen, and it happens. I mean, when you're at 84 miles per hour, you have no reaction time, especially when it's dark out.
My bad, man. I just got comfortable. I seen y'all right there.
All right, just slow down for us, all right?
Y'all see.
Cardi luckily gets let off, even with his weird friend in the back mumbling nonsense, although this wasn't his first or last encounter with law enforcement. Finally, Ken Carson. It's a hot September night in Atlanta. Police spot a car weaving through lanes, headlights off.
Alright, so why are you driving so fast? How fast were you going? 100?
When they pull it over, the driver, Ken Carson, is allegedly under the influence and reckless behind the wheel. Ken tries to explain himself, but it's too late. The officer calmly says, "Step out of the vehicle."
Let me get your driver's license. What you doing driving so fast?
Go out to the studio.
At like 110 miles an hour? Passing the double white lines?
I say far.
So that's okay to drive 110? Now what? I can't hear you, it's loud. I literally can't hear you, it's loud. You gotta speak up.
Stay like 30 minutes away.
Okay, so you drive 110, could you stay 30 minutes away? You got an ID on you? You mind if I get that? So we're down the back windows without turning on the car. You might have to just turn the key over. Alright, you mind handing me the keys too, just in case? Appreciate it. Alright. Alright, man, do me a favor. Come step out with me so I can talk with you, okay? You can bring your boots back there. Just bring them back there. You can put them on over there. Where are you coming from? You live in Buford? Where are you going? How old are you? Here, do me a favor, come over here. That way the car is in the back. We don't get squashed in between the car. You sit right there. Just sit on the car. You going to where? Is it in Atlanta or? Where are you going? You said recording studio? Alright, so why are you driving so fast? How fast were you going? 100? Because I get almost like 120 to catch up to you. And why'd you take you so long to pull over?
She really told me.
So you didn't see me with blue lights? I wasn't that far behind you.
She told me I was pulling me over. Who is that in the car with you? Is that your girlfriend?
What's her name?
No.
I've been on tour for like.
So you know you can't drive without someone with a valid license in the car. And right now she didn't got a valid license, at least in Georgia that I know of.
I thought she
I mean, it's just, you got a Hellcat or just a Charger?
did. It's a Hellcat.
I saw, yeah, the seats. How you know her? You got any weapons or anything on her?
No.
You know if I just pat you down, turn around real quick? Just fix the car. Any weapons or anything in the car?
Yeah.
In her bag? Hey, she's got a 69 in her bag, so.
Fast. Like, alright, so I've been on tour for like the past couple years.
Right.
I just got back the other day.
Okay.
So I just did it the other day. That's why I gave y'all the paper.
Yeah. Because like normally,
and then I was going
normally like at 16, 17, you'll get a learner's permit.
Yeah. But like, my driver's test like, that's so crazy. I got that the other day. I went and did another show. I just got back again.
Where do you go on tour? Like, how far did you go?
It'd be like, no, I don't want to call it world tour because I don't really hit Asia and like that.
Right.
But like, I hit like Milan and like I go back overseas like starting next week.
That'd be nice.
Yeah.
I gotta ask, why the cross upside down?
Like I grew up in the church and stuff,
Yeah.
right? But like, I know there's a lot of crooked stuff going on in the church.
Yep, that's historically factual.
So like, me growing up and realizing it, like the upside down cross, St. Peter got buried upside down. Crucified upside down.
Yeah.
Because he felt like he wasn't as worthy, and he was like, "Oh God." So
it's almost the same as if I hung a flag upside down.
I don't know. What does a flag upside down?
Distress. Basically meaning something's not right. Come help.
Nah, hell nah. It's like I'm no God.
Okay.
Like, not blasphemy or like dissing God. It's more like I'm not Jesus Christ. No.
You have your own outlook.
Yeah.
I get it.
Said you've never been to Brunei, right? Just for it? Just go ahead and sit down up here. You said cowboy? 18. Oh, you didn't get it so you can come? For what? Go and sit down here.